Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the image and starting georeferencing right away. Open QGIS and enable the Georeferencer GDAL plugin. Make sure the target CRS is set, for example EPSC 4326, so the output matches common maps. Add control points by clicking recognizable features on the image and entering precise coordinates from reliable references. This anchors pixels to real-world locations. Once you have at least 3 well-spread control points, select a transformation type that matches how the image was captured and run the georeference to produce a correctly located raster. Now convert the georeferenced raster into vector features. Use raster right arrow conversion right arrow polygonize GDAL to turn contiguous pixel zones into polygons. This preserves shapes and categories from your raster. Once polygons exist, clean them, remove tiny slivers, merge adjacent polygons where appropriate, and run topology checks to fix overlaps or gaps. These steps ensure a valid shapefile. Make sure you add and populate attribute fields for classification or ID before proceeding, because attributes are preserved when you export and are essential for later analysis and styling. Finish by exporting and validating the shapefile. Right-click the cleaned vector layer and choose Export Right Arrow Save Features as Pick ESRI Shapefile, set the CRS and a suitable encoding like UTF-8, and save. Then load the shapefile into a fresh QGIS project to confirm spatial alignment, attribute completeness, and that features display correctly. If you encounter geometry errors or missing attributes, run a Fix Geometries tool or resnap vertices and rerun topology checks. This single troubleshooting step resolves most export failures before you deliver the final shapefile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.